So here is TaxSlayer app, file your taxes. So you can just tap get to install it. Slay your taxes fast and easy. So you can just install this app. File on the go from your smartphone. TaxSlayer takes the stress out of tax filing with step-by-step instructions and 100% accuracy guarantee. Use smartphone or any device to prepare your federal and state tax returns. Choose the tax filing option that's right for you. So then, here it is. You can just do your refund. So yeah, this is one of the apps you can use. It's kind of like in top 200 apps in the US App Store. So yep, and then you can just go and try to use it. Then you can just try to log in, and that's just what it is. So here it is, and then you can just go and create an account. So here's your email, username, password, and then you can just easily create an account just from the app. So there you have it.